What's up, guys? It's Ashley. I'm doing the preview for Friday grass track at Greyville. I'm very confident in this treble that I'm going to tip you guys. At the moment, that's 25 to 1. I'm going to start in race 2 with number 11, Viking Leader, Rachel Venica with Michael Roberts. Into race 4, number 8, Sail the Horizon. There's a Garth Puller with Keegan DeMello aboard. Into race number 5, number 7, Acacia's Blossom with Craig Zaki aboard. Look, Keegan DeMello's found some good form. Craig Zaki's in form, and Rachel's as solid as it comes with the -1.5 of her back. I don't know. I think I'm going to take a bond on my house on this treble at 25 to 1. I'm very, very confident. Hope you guys follow this one, and hopefully we can all make money, because if I make money, you're gonna make money. So have a great weekend, guys.
Hi guys, it's Donnie here. We're tipping for Greyville tomorrow night racing. I just want to start off by thanking everybody that's voted. Thank you to Glistium for this initiative. I know I speak for everybody when I say we really appreciate this opportunity, guys. I'm going to start off race 1, Lady Nancy, 8 to 10. The Cape form is very strong here. I think if this horse was a bit better drawn, I would say no race. But I think it's still worth a big go there and should blow them away. Race 7, my value bet, Fortress of Fire, 25 to 1, guys. I think this is one of the few horses in the race that's not prepping for the Durban season ahead. Improving horse. I think they're going to love the 1400 meters. And guys, I wouldn't be surprised if this horse wins tomorrow at 25 to 1. So you guys should get on there. Race 8, my best bet, Silver Salute, 5 to 2. I think this horse is going to run a massive, massive race here, guys. The Cape form is very strong. And I think a weak field like this, he should blow them away properly. My bet for the day would be take the double Fortress of Fire for a place into Silver Salute for a win at about 15 to 1. Both for wins at about 80 to 1. If you want to take the win on Lady Nancy with Fortress of Fire for a place and Silver Salute for a win, it's about 28 to 1. And take a chance on all three for wins at about 167 to 1, guys. I think there's massive value tomorrow, and I think we can really take them to the bank. Cheers, guys. Have a good day.
Good afternoon to all the Glistian viewers out there. Michael Azar here. We're going through Greyville night racing, Friday 27th of March. Looks like a lovely card with some lovely horses running. 2 feature races. There's some Kulu Stakes and the Briley Turk. Let's go into my best bets for the day. Start off in race 1. Number 11, Lady Nancy. Glenn Cotson, Chad Little. This one looks like she'll be too strong for this field. Move on to race number 2. Number 11, Viking Leader. Rachel Venica, Michael Roberts. Looks like she'll also go very close. Then we move on to the Uzumkulu Stakes, Group 3. Race 6, number 6, Quick Step Gal. Tini Prince, Prince Lure, Keegan DeMello. We know how good this filly is. She's brilliant at Greyville as well. She's a graded winner, Group 1 winner, and I think she'll win this race. Move on to race 7, the Briley Turk. Horse with a big reputation who's been gelded, Green Gateway. Dean Canema, Craig Zaki. I think this horse has got a big reputation, and I think he's going places. And I think he'll win this race. So if we go and we take the multiple with these 4 horses, we're going to get 53 to 1 at soccershop.bet. If we do take the 3 horses, leaving race 2 out, we take Lady Nancy, Quickstep Gal, and Green Gateway, we're getting around 15 to 1. So guys, I think it's good value. Get your bets on at soccershop.bet and vote for me on the Glistian Talent Trials on your voting pages. God bless, guys. Enjoy. Have a great evening.
Hi guys, this is the Punter's Rabbit again. Trust you all well. We go to Greyville tomorrow night racing for a change. Just be cautious. We have a mixed bag of races, some on the poly, some on the turf. So I suggest a bit of caution when placing your bets. However, we go for our place strike again tomorrow as follows. Race 2, Royal Scepter. Race 6, Quick Step Gal. Race 7, Green Gateway. And race 8, Mrs. Glitter Sparkles. I think we have a pick 6 banker in race 4, Sail the Horizon. Bet wisely, in for a penny, in for a pound, and happy punting.